Wait, so you just get it out? Nani? Ugh. Gotta be something, right? Interference by Daddy. So now just take it, right? What is the plane? Like, what the heck? Why did I even go? This is so long trying to get it out. Finally, guys. I'm sorry for that. Why it took so long. Well, here he is. Grapple. Alright, now we just get these weapons out. Oh, let's go. Let's go. And what about you? Oh my god. Get it. Oh, finally. You're also trash. Alright. Here's the weapon. Looks so sick. And let's put this thing on. Hey, was this supposed to come from two? That's a nice station. What? You're supposed to like. Alright, let's put this in right here. Oh, it's this way. Oh. So here is Grapple from Transformers. Look, he got a little, like, SMG. He got a Grapple. His name is Grapple. And let's transform him. I'm gonna try. Okay, never. We're not gonna transform him because I'm scared I'm gonna break it, and there's a lot of stupid fragile stuff.